Hello, mathematicians, and welcome to Math with Miss Halverson, your favorite time of the day. Today, our math video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to do screencastify, so you'll see my face down in the corner there while I go over my visuals in my PowerPoint, okay? So today, we're going to use mental math strategies for addition. The strategy that we're going to focus on today is called making tens. So when you're adding numbers, it's really easy to make a 10 and then just add on the other numbers. So what are you talking about, Mrs. Halverson? Let's see. So today, students will be able to add mentally by making 10. Okay, so 7 plus 3. We all know that that equals 10. So if you look at my bars here, each of these rows have 10 blocks in it. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if we have, or because we have 2 rows of 10 columns, we have 20 boxes here. Okay, 7 right now are colored yellow. To make 10, or to fill up the whole box, we're going to need 3 more. Okay, so we add 3, and then we have a full bar. We're made 10. Okay, so if we have a number that's a little bit trickier, so let's say we have 7 plus 5 instead of 7 plus 3, we would still want to add 3 first to make 10. Okay, and then whatever is left over is going to go into that second bar. So we turn that 5 into a 3 and into a 2. So we break the 5 apart, and we have the 3 added to the 7 in order to make 10. Now we don't want to forget these 2 that we have left over. They just go down here. Okay, and then that's our answer is 12 because we have 10. That whole first bar is taken up. Then we have 2 left over. So 10 and 2 is 12. Okay. If we switch it, right? And so now we have 7 plus 5 is 12, and we only have 5 in our bars down here, then we're going to want to break the 7 up. What would we break the 7 up into to first make that 5 into 10? 5, right. So that 7 has to be broken up into a 5 and a 2. Okay. So the first 5 are going to fill up that first bar. So we made 10 out of 5. But we don't want to forget that there are 2 left over that are going to go to our next bar. So we have 12. All right, now it gets a little bit trickier when you have bigger numbers like this. Okay, so we are going to make the next 10 up. So you might be saying, Mrs. Halverson, we have way more than 10. We have 37. Okay, when you have a number like that, you're going to want to make the next 10. So if you think in your mind's eye, think what 2 tens is 37 in between? 30 and 40, good. Now, how far away from 40 are we with 37? That's right, we're 3 away from 40. So we need to break that 5 into a 3 and into a 2. So now we can count how many bars that we have, because we know that each of these bars is 10. And then whatever's extra is going to be what we put in the ones place. So here we have 10, 20, 30, 42. So when we break up the 5 into the 3 and the 2, we end up with 42. 37 plus 5 is 42. Okay, so this one is a little bit tricky too because it also is a 2-digit number. I'm going to let you solve this one first on your own, and then we'll go over it together. So if we have 25, think about what 2 tens is 25 in between? 20 and 30, that's right. Now, think about how many more we need to get from 25 to 30. If you need help, you can look at our bar here. Okay, how many more of these do we need to get to a full 30? Okay, and once you have that answer, you need to break the 8 into that number and then whatever number is left over. Go ahead. Pause your device if you need. Good. The 8 would be broken up into a 5 and a 3. 5 to fill out that 30, right? So now we have 10, 20, 30, and then we have 3 left over. So our answer, we can see just by looking at our bars, our answer is 33. Okay, so this is a really big one, scholars. And it's already shaded in for us. So go ahead and try to use your skills that you've learned today to tell me what the answer is. Pause your device if you need. Okay, welcome back, scholars. Here we go, 56 plus 8. We have to ask ourselves, what 2 tens is 56 in between? 50 and 60. That's right. Now we need to ask ourselves, how many more do we need to get from 56 to 60? We can tell by looking right at our bars right here. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 more to go before we get to 60. Okay. So you need to break this 8 into a 4 and another 4. So we fill up this row here and we still have 4 left over. Okay, so what is our answer? Here we go. Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 64. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 56 plus 8 is 64. All right, scholars, so that is how you use the Making 10 strategy in order to add mentally. As always, if you're struggling or you need any help at all, please see your math teachers at their office hours. If you go into your math Google Classroom under classwork, things you should know, all of our math teacher links are there and you can get a hold of us there. All right, friends, I will see you next time in math. Have a great day.